The Toyota Land Cruiser, since it was produced, has been highly regarded as one of the most reliable and best SUVs that money can buy. Now, this 25-plate Invincible beside me, if you want to deal in facts, is the best priced 25-plate Invincible in the country today for sale. So the way we've priced it means it is priced #1 in the country. It's done 7,000 miles, finished in black, and with it being an Invincible, Toyota make this very simple for you. They just come with every single option you can possibly want. The only optional extra you can really add, this one has, which is a factory Towbar. Powered by a 2.8 litre diesel engine, which Toyota are renowned for the reliability in all of their product, but the engine is the core of that. This is the new UK Land Cruiser, so they've completely changed the shape, the style, and then they've increased the spec. The features on this, the feature list, is absolutely massive. And if you compare this to the others that are available, you're getting yourself the best buy in the country. There's only a few colours available. There's blacks, there's grey, there's also a sand, but for me, black works well in this car, specifically in the Invincible. Satin grey wheels, multi-spoke alloys, just give it that nice, kind of sporty edge, but then it also gives you that nice exterior stealth colour as well. Fixed side steps, and then have a look at the space. These are a 7-seater, and you get everything you can possibly want in any type of vehicle. So heated and ventilated seats in the front. You've then got heated seats in the rear, as well as ventilated seats on the outer edge. You've then got your 2 rear seats in the back, making it a 7-seater. JBL Sound system, privacy glass. You have a sliding panoramic sunroof. There's your factory Towbar from Toyota. You've also got a split tailgate, which is pretty cool, and I'll show you the full-size boot in a second. 2.8 litre diesel engine, which makes it perfect for towing. So if it's a caravan, horse box, trailer, whatever it might be, you've got the Toyota Towbar on there as well. A decent boot space if you have the 7 seats up, and then if you don't have a daily use for the 7 seats, dead straightforward to put down, use the headrest, and literally the rest is controlled by a button. And if you also have a look at the back here, if you have got smaller children who are going to sit in the 7 seats, you've also got extra USB chargers and whatnot in the back there as well. So if you're going on longer journeys with iPads and tablets and stuff like that, then you've got that there. But have a look at the size of that load space. So huge load space. You can use it as a 5-seater, 6-seater, or you've got the option of a 7 power tailgate. But then watch or have a listen for all these features that you get as far as the driver's concerned. There's an incredible amount of safety features on this car. You've obviously got things like adaptive cruise, heads-up display. You've got that new dual screen system, because if we're being brutally honest, the last shape Land Cruiser was still a very, very good car. It just needed maybe some slightly more modern features, and this has exactly that. So the driver's seat is electrically adjustable, memory setting, heated and ventilated. Steering wheel is also heated. Let's start this up. ClearSight rear view camera. I've seen that on Land Rovers and whatnot in the past. That's a HD camera straight to the rear view. Sliding panoramic sunroof, which you can tilt or fully slide open. Wireless charge pad, cool box underneath the armrest. Automatic gearbox with different 4-wheel drive modes. Just because they've increased the technology doesn't mean that they've lost what this car is about. It has an unbelievable usability factor. You can do pretty much whatever you want in this huge tablet display, which has your navigation, your media, your telephone, all your different car settings as well. You might want to use Apple CarPlay or Android if you prefer that. If I pop it into reverse, rear view, aerial view camera systems. Your digital dash has everything else, traffic sign recognition. Your adaptive cruise is all controlled from there as well. So these are an unbelievable car, very difficult to get out of a Toyota dealership. If you try and go to many Toyota dealerships, some of them can't even show you one, never mind sell you one. This one is available here today. You've still got manufacturer's warranty until 2028. Again, to repeat, it's one of the most reliable cars that money can buy, and this is the best buy of this car in the country today. So if you want to have a chat about how you can buy this particular one, feel free to give me a call direct. My name is Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.